Hey YouTube, so changed the thermostat on my 2.9 Chevy Colorado. This is the first gen. I saw another guy on YouTube, man, his thermostat was a little bit further that way. Maybe it was a 5 or cylinder, I guess. So what I had to do was remove the battery, remove this, unbolt this bracket, this AC line. But if there's a 10, these two are 15s. Let me see. And then there's a third one right up in there. Let's see if I get it. Okay, there it is. Right there. So that. Then 15's also on the alternator. And there's two up here. So I also got the wheel, fender liner out. And there'll be another. Okay, there's the third alternator bolt. So I pushed that out the way. Now there's more room to get to the thermostat. So I actually already got my old one out. I was just having a hard time lining up the bolts. And to remove it, I just undid the bolts and I pulled the whole thing out. Then that clamp is pretty hard to get to, so I did that all out here. But now I can I get my hand in here with the socket to the thermostat housing. All right. So hope this helps you out. All right. Peace out. All right. Okay, so this is how I got the bolts in there. I kind of put some tape in there so it could be snug in the socket, and it's a 10 millimeter. That way it doesn't fall while you're trying to fish it in there, you know. Without it, it's very hard to get in there.